Hello, welcome. Here are 4 tips on what to look for when you hire an auto collision shop. Tip number 1, ask the body shop if they're part of the direct repair program. Now, what does that mean? That means that the client is the insurance company and not you. So the insurance company wants this partner to do the repair cheap and fast, which is definitely a big no-no. Tip number 2, I would stay away from lifetime warranty repairs because your car can fade within the next 2 to 3 years without the proper maintenance. Tip number 3, ask them if they can help you with a diminished value certificate. What's a diminished value certificate? Well, if you were in an accident and it wasn't your fault, you're entitled to recover thousands of dollars because when you sell your car won't be worth the same. So that's a very important one. Tip number 4, I would stay away from auto body shops that are offering to pay for your deductible and waive it. What does that mean? That they're gonna definitely cut corners if they're waiving your deductible. Some deductibles could be up to $2,500 and that's money that they're minus that they can be paying for the proper repair. If there's any more questions that you have, you're welcome to call us. Cell phone number is 310-579-1332. If you would love to get a free estimate from us, you're welcome to give us a call. Thanks for watching.